Everyone, I am somewhere special in a city known as Costa Mesa at the local IKEA, which is known for home furnishings and whatnot. But today we have a combination of cars and coffee, and as I just made my first round down the first aisle, I saw this beautiful Toyota, and as I was admiring it, this chap comes by. So I'm gonna have him tell us a little bit about your car. Could you tell us who you are and what's going on with this gorgeous specimen right here?
So, hi, how's it going? My name's John, from Moonlight Runners, owner, and what we do is this car's a 1986 Toyota Cressida.
86 Cressida, okay.
Pretty much this is an event-style car that we built for non-city. It's a non-city event that we have once a year. It's, it's a celebration of nothing but all Kaido racers.
Whoa,
so
very nice.
This car itself is a Kaido racer. So, we took inspiration, obviously, the liveries after the Williams FW14B. And then when it comes to non-city, and especially when it comes to these kind of cars, you really just kind of want to make it your own. It's all about standing out. And again, the long nose in the front is all fiberglass. Me and my wife, we do all the paint, all the livery, we do all the design work. We do all the fabrication, everything. So,
very nice. And where are you based out of?
Vertigo.
Very nice. And if people want to see more on this, where could they go?
Moonlight Runners. Find
Beautiful.
us on Instagram, YouTube, anywhere and everywhere.
Beautiful. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Guys, this is the first car. I know, right? Sorry about that, Justin. Very nice. Yep, perfect indeed. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. That thing is cool. And as you come in, there's some nice Porsches, some GT3s coming in. So right here, I'm at the morning club. Cars and coffee at IKEA in Costa Mesa. So let's walk down and see some of the crazy cars here. What's really amazing about this particular vehicle assembly is that you have everything from European to domestic to Asian, JDM, you name it, it is here. And yeah, this car looks very familiar. I think it's the one, this is the one we saw out in Monterey. This looks like a classic Porsche 911, but the underpinnings are pure water-cooled 997, as you can see. Absolutely fantastic. Now, let's make our way around a little bit now. We'll kind of go down to JDM Row as we explore some more European specimens. And thank you so much, guys, for participating in this live. If you cannot make it to Costa Mesa this morning, allow me to be your eyes and ears and show you everything that Southern California has to offer. And thank you, Morning Breakfast Club, for inviting us to this wonderful event and allowing us access. Okay, so hanging around here, some beautiful Japanese, vehicles, from Mark 5s to old school Hondas to Silvias, you name it, it is here. And you can see just absolutely so many cars. It's like eye candy here because everything you look at is quite nice. It has a Venturi setup, Pure Nismo GTR, really, really clean old school K. Beautiful Toyota, and we're making our way back to that very nice Toyota from Midnight Runners. And as you can see here, this looks like Ryan's EG. Absolutely beautiful. As you look inside, absolutely immaculate. And right next to him, Big Mike's Prelude, as you can see. And this is not just looks, this is looks and speed to match. More beautiful cars coming in. Nice. This event is bananas. Look at that. Lambos. And of course, I brought out the Moby. It's right there. In the front, center. I saw this on the freeway. This thing's absolutely gorgeous. Guys, I mean, look at the assembly here. Absolutely spectacular. And more coming in. This thing is just exotics galore. How crazy is this, guys? SoCal car culture is absolutely splendid. And I'm missing some good examples here. I saw this Ferrari just rose on the freeway on the way in here. I know, right, Tumbleweed? Crazy. This is just bananas. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Oh, there's a Cosmo here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You don't see these often. I love Cosmos. It's like they're giving away Porsches here. Good morning, Mel Henry 94. Thank you so much for joining us at this beautiful Cars and Coffee in Costa Mesa, California, at the local IKEA. It's like IKEA Cars and Coffee. Absolutely ridiculous. And more cars are coming in. It's supposed to start 30 minutes ago, and cars are still coming in. How crazy is that? So I just went down one row. Oh my God, look at this. Look at Justin AGS says, lucky to have so many enthusiasts that are willing to drive amazing cars. Yes. There's nothing I hate more than people who have amazing examples of automotive excellence, just park them in a museum and don't ever drive them. What's the purpose? It's like, I guess it's like art, but the beauty of all these beautiful cars is you get to drive your art and then just hang them in a wall and have it sit one place. That's really cool. Look at that. Thank you so much, A Pit Z Castillo. Appreciate your kind words. All right, nice S2K. This is a nice overlanding look. Cayenne. Polestar right there, getting charged up. Boxster, with a nice clean kit. Here's this car, guys. Don't sleep on this. This is a beautiful, beautiful BMW M3. Stan Chen, very good friend, and head of marketing and motorsports at Toyo. This is his car. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Look at this thing. Gorgeous. Look how sick that is. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Ah! There's Jessica. Hi, Jessica. How are you? Did you bring something as well?
No, I came with Lloyd and the
Lloyd, good seeing you.
Good
Good seeing you, bro. Good seeing you. Good seeing you. Good seeing you.
Can't wait till your episode comes out.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate the kind words. Thank you. Thank you. Good seeing you, bro. Long time. How are you? How are you? Well, enjoy. I'm gonna do my live and I'll catch up with you guys. Good seeing you. Cheers. So, like I said, one good thing about this amazing scene, especially with Porsches, is the camaraderie is second to none. Absolutely fantastic. And if you have a Porsche and not a member of the PCA, shame on you. If you're in SoCal, you need to be a member of P Club. These guys are deep and amazing indeed, so which is really good. So it's good. Good morning, sir. Good to see you.
See you.
So just fantastic. I love cars, I love people, and what a great place to have the combination of the two. Absolutely fantastic. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So let's get into some more variety. And even the other lot is filling up. It's crazy over there. Guys, this is just bananas. And for those of you just joining, I am in Costa Mesa at the IKEA facility where they sell home furnishings. But today we are cars and coffee today. Look at that. This is cray, guys. It's just crazy. Look at this. Sick. So look how close. And guys, where do you see this? Where in the world do you see such an ensemble? Except for here in Southern California. Absolutely bananas. Crazy. So let's make our way around and go to another lane because we've been through this JDM lane. All right, here are some Bavarian Motorworks examples. BMWs galore. It looks like the team did a good job in kind of putting these cars together with similar marquees. Yep, Beamer boys indeed. Beamer boys. Nice BBSs. This has some JDM flavor with the work wheels. Nice M3s, both classic and modern. I love it. Very nice indeed. And tell me, you should get one. They're very good cars with a lot of aftermarket support, by all means. And I love when people combine either work wheels or Volks on these BMWs, kind of with a nice JDM flavor. It looks very nice as a combo. More Beamers this way. It is so awesome. And I'm gonna sneak around here and there's some English vehicles here as well, which is absolutely spectacular because I don't typically at car meets see many English vehicles, let alone a conglomerate of them. So look at this. All these minis all the way down as far as the eye can see. Just minis, minis, minis. And I'm gonna pan over here a little bit to my right. And there are more minis as well. Look at that. Minis everywhere. Now, usually the main lots are pretty packed, but I'm gonna go to the adjacent lot to just take a look at what automotive gems we can find out there. Already I see some nice RX-7s over there, RX-8, AP2, Mark IV. Guys, you see, this is like the, look, is that 3000 GT? Look at that, guys. I see, well, if I were to get, I like turbos. I would say Turbo Mini because turbochargers allow us to have much more, how should I say, control of our power. Superchargers are directly cogged to the crank shaft, so they feel like really big natural aspirated cars. You're fixed with your RPM and power. While turbochargers, you can vary boost and power based upon gear, vehicle speed, atmospheric conditions, traction, you name it. So I tend to be a little more partial towards turbocharging, just for its versatility. Some Teslas, which by the way, crazy considered, yes, Super Corolla indeed, which actually is considered a domestic vehicle, right? Tesla, yeah, made in America, domestic. Look at this. This is the lot behind the lot. And there's just so many beautiful cars here, from BMWs to classic muscle cars, to even Aston Martins, you name it. I love BK Coupes. Here's a really clean example here as well. Right next to a gorgeous Mark V and another M4. And the M4 right next to it, more Teslas. This is good. So I'm gonna pan over here, guys. Thank you for your patience. This is just so much to see here. So many cars, so much to see. And once again, guys, forgive me for being redundant, but I am in Costa Mesa, California, at the IKEA Cars and Coffee Motoring Club. Put this together, which is good. Here's a cleaner variety right there, really clean. Just ridiculous cars, Jeeps, BMWs, just R8s, just chilling there. I know, right, Tumbleleaf? I love your enthusiasm, I really do. Here's my boy James parked because it was just so packed. So he parked out here. This is a car that we helped with as well. Let's look at the rear here. Working some Beast Motor Love, which is pretty cool, right? Heading over here, just, you know, just Huracan, just chilling out there next to another prancing horse. Raging bulls and prancing horses, living in harmony. Cars are still coming in, guys. People are still coming in. Look, these people have their own kind of show over here. Look at that, their own show. I'm gonna test out those chargers when we're done here. I'm doing some experimentation on my Mobi, which is parked front and center at the IKEA entrance, which is pretty cool. Clean GT4 RS. Guys, if you are nearby, come out here. It's amazing, it's fun, there's variety. If you love shooting cars, this is the place, because there's so much eye candy here. It's absolutely fantastic. Only car I haven't seen so far that I'm looking for, oh, I think I found it, is the RetroWorks 911. Let's head over there and take a look, and then we should be good. All right. I'm here in the Porsche area. Very nice. Go Tuning Unlimited SDK. Coming over here. Love that color. Love that color. And there's Max's car. Absolutely good. There he is, the man of the hour. Another clean G-body. And some more modern water-cooled Porsches. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for participating in this wonderful interaction. Thank you so much, IKEA and Motoring Club, for getting us out here. Appreciate all of you. Have a pleasant one. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.